Well, got my coffee this morning, and what we got going on today is that 70 horsepower Johnson out there. And it's been raining for a couple days, so I'm gonna have to get some rags, some keys, and show you what's happening with it. You know, that's it. Let's see, some towels. Yeah, I got a mess everywhere. That's wet. Wow. So that was from yesterday, baby. That one's wet too. That one's wet. They're all wet. All right, here's one. All right. Before I get started, I want to show you guys what's happening. So yeah, there's that Johnson 70 4-stroke electronic fuel injection. And he's got this stupid railing. Makes it kind of hard to get in and out of the boat. He did say something about it. Yeah, it's cool looking, but I think he wants to get rid of it. And his splash well, you see he's got the holes plugged. So yeah, that just fills up. That's not good. Anyway, let's get this over here so I can talk about this. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. See, he had this switch up here, which I'm gonna put a new switch for him that's gonna go to his bilge pump because he doesn't have one. But I guess he had somebody put in this bombardier gauge for him, and it's a, oil. It's got like warning lights and a buzzer. So like if you got low oil or if it's hot or the check engine, the light will come on. Anyway, he's got all this stuff, and he had it installed, and then he had the switch installed because his trim unit went out. Well, since then, I went ahead, and once he brought it to me, I was like, we need to fix this first. So I put a new trim switch on it. It's a brand new switch. You can hear it up and down. But what's happening here, and I guess we should pump it up. I don't like this bulb. He's got this coming down, going down here. I mean, it's like weird, like really does seem like it takes it a lot to get. Anyway, there's that. So then, I'm gonna start this thing up. Hopefully you guys can see this. So we get our alarm, and then we get these 3 lights come on. Just take off this camera so you can see it. So we get, let's turn it off again. So we turn it on. Oh. And we get 1, 2, 3. So that comes on, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that shows it. So now let's start it. Starts pretty good. We can put this in the warm-up mode. It's kind of, I can't do this 2 hands. but hang on. Alright, back to this. So, put it in warm-up mode. You got this button. Sometimes the button's here. See, now it's not in gear. We'll let it warm up just a little bit. So you can see, like, it's not in gear. I got my tub, you know. Anyway, runs pretty good. Runs great. But now watch this. Because we're warmed up now. Well, not really, but so check this out. If I go up with the trim switch, then I get a no oil. Sometimes the hot lights, all that stuff will go, but we got oil. And you can watch it. I haven't moved it, and that oil light will go out. Oh, let's see what it does. See how long it takes. There, see how it went out? Now if I go back down, then it sends all these. So we got some sort of short, pulling something to ground, or that's what I think, pulling the voltage to ground. Anyway, I wanted to show that so you guys could see what was happening there. Yeah, crazy, huh? So anyway, I put this on. That is all tagged in to where it's supposed to. It doesn't have the connector, but you can see, like, I soldered these and I shrink wrapped them, and then I'll tape this up. But then we got to figure out what in that world is going on with this. So that's what we're up to today. It's Friday. They're all the same to me anymore. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's all the same to me. And the trash guy is supposed to come today, pick up our trash. I forgot last week to put the trash out. This is a cool little boat, and it's got a little bit I can't talk. Little top. It's got a top. He's a trolling motor though. If I was him, I'd figure out how to mount a trolling motor. I don't know how he's going to do it, but